Today we are going to learn about a technique called box breathing. And box breathing is a good technique to know because it can help us reduce stress. So earlier this semester we talked about mental health, anxiety, and they found that doing this box breathing technique can reduce stress. It's good for generalized anxiety. It can potentially help with depression, maybe with PTSD. It can improve our mood. It can help people fall asleep faster. There's lots of ways we can use this to make our life less stressful. So if you remember earlier this year, we talked about the fight or flight system. The opposite of that is the rest or digest system. And what controls this is the autonomic nervous system. So let me show you that real quick here. I'll let you read. I don't need to read these to you, but if you get in a stressful situation, your heart rate tends to increase. If we start to calm down, our heart rate decreases. And there's a bunch of other things, pupil dilating, blood pressure decreasing. Well, with box breathing, we can actually help regulate this system, and we can bring ourselves from a higher heart rate down to a lower heart rate. So we can reduce that fight or flight response a little bit. So if you're going into a stressful situation, this can work. This can help you fall asleep, like I've said. So basically what you're doing is you're slowing down your breathing and controlling your breathing. And what this does is this allows CO2 to rise in our system. And then when CO2 rises, this, through potentially some effect on the brain and maybe on the vagus nerve, help to calm us down. So what you do for this technique is you inhale for 4 seconds, you hold that inhale for 4 seconds, you exhale for 4 seconds, and then you hold for 4 seconds. Some people would suggest you just inhale for a long time and then exhale for a long time. I'm not a huge fan of the hold on when you're fully exhaled. But we're going to go with just the box technique, which is 4 inhale, 4 hold, 4 exhale, 4 hold. So I'll show you what that looks like. So here we go. You inhale. Then you hold for 4 seconds. Then you exhale. Then you hold for 4 seconds. Then you inhale. And you get the idea. And so according to some research that I read, if you do that cycle just 4 times, so inhale, hold, exhale, hold, do that 4 times, you can already see a drop in heart rate and we can see stress go down. So give it a try. That is your assignment for this video. Try box breathing, do this cycle 4 times and see how it goes for you. Reflect on that, and I'll see you in the next video.